What's up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and this is another episode of Cooking with Tails. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be making my mom's fried corn recipe. And this is like a comeback because last year this did not go right. I burned them real bad.
That is not correct.
So this year I'm trying to get it right, and I'm doing it with you guys. So I'm going to be starting by frying up some bacon, and the brand is Smithfield. I only got this one because it was cheaper than the other one, because the other one was like $6, and I said no. I think this one was $5.
Well, really, I'm cheap as hell.
It's thick cut, but I don't think the type of bacon really matters. But I'm about to fry all of these, and then we're going to get into the corn. And I'm using fried corn.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is Meyer brand sweet corn. My mom said if you use fresh corn is way better, but I'm not on that level yet. So maybe if I can get this right, next time I make it, I'll go with the fresh corn. Let me know if you guys want to see that, and I could do that too. So we have 3 bags here. Hopefully I have enough space in this pan for all 3 bags.
Barely.
Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to my cameraman, my husband Brandon.
Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving.
Hey. And before we really get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful Thanksgiving with your families. Well, this is coming out tomorrow, so I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving with your families. Let me know down below in the comments what's your favorite Thanksgiving food. Mine is dressing. I made dressing on my own, and I am so ready to dig into it. What about you, Brandon? What's your favorite?
Definitely my dad's homemade mashed potatoes.
Yes, Brandon is attempting that recipe as well.
As we speak.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these to try to give myself some space. Struggle is already real. Alright, this is the bacon once it's fully cooked. I'm going to let this cool, and then I'm going to crumble up half of it for my corn and half of it for my green beans. Okay, now it's time to finally pour in the corn. So I'm going to pour in, I'm going to see how many bags I can fit in here. I think I can at least fit 2, maybe 2.5. And I am frying this corn in the bacon grease. And making a mess. Okay, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna even put in the 3rd bag because this looks like it's gonna be a good amount. And now I'm adding some salt. And some pepper. Okay, this is a mixture of water and flour that I'm going to be pouring into the corn. I have about 3/4 cup here. I'm going to start off by pouring just half a cup and see if I need to pour the rest. This is half of the bacon that I made, so I'm about to crumble this up in this baggie and then add it to this mixture. It is sugar time. Sugar, 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 sugar. Should I leave that in?
Absolutely.
Boy, if you...
I don't know how much I'm putting in, like, just a lot. It's Thanksgiving. Okay, this is how the corn is looking once I've added the sugar and everything and mixed it all together. So now I'm just going to cover it with some aluminum foil, and then I'm going to leave it covered for about 3 minutes and then come back and stir it, and then cover it again for 3 minutes and then come back and stir it, and then I'm going to leave it uncovered for probably about 5 or 6 minutes and see how it's looking then. I really don't want to burn it this time, so I'm being very diligent about this timing. Sorry I took my mic off, but we're not gonna let it cook for 5 minutes uncovered, we don't think. We're just gonna let it cook for like 3, just to kind of let it fry a little bit, and then we're gonna turn it off. Taking no chances. Alright, this is what the finished product is looking like. I called my mom on FaceTime to make sure it was looking right, and she said it looked amazing and I could turn the stove off. So that's exactly what I did. Now I'm just gonna keep this covered until it's time to eat, and we are about to chow down.
It looks really delicious.
It smells even better. All right, thank you guys so much for watching another episode of Cooking with Tells. I really appreciate all of you, and I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Don't forget to let me know what your favorite Thanksgiving food is down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.